A crow in Seattle memorized the face of a scientist who tagged him for 5 years. Every time that scientist walked outside, the crow would dive bomb him. The crow never forgot, never forgave. And here is the part that will keep you up at night. He taught his children to hate that scientist too. A bird teaching his children to recognize a specific human face. Most people see crows as just dark birds sitting on telephone wires, noisy, annoying, ordinary. But what if I told you that the bird you walk past every single morning has been watching you? What if I told you that crows understand human language, human gestures, and human emotions at a level that took scientists decades to believe? Welcome to Birdhearts, where feathers meet feelings. Today, we go deep into the darkest, most brilliant mind in the bird kingdom. The crow brain, relative to its body size, is almost exactly the same size as a human brain. Scientists call this the encephalization quotient. Crows score higher than almost every other animal on Earth, except humans, apes, and dolphins. Crows have a highly developed forebrain, the same region humans use for complex thinking. When a crow looks at you, it is not just seeing you. It is processing you, analyzing your body language, like a chess player, 3 steps ahead. Crows do not just hear human language. They actively decode it. A study at University of Washington proved crows can distinguish between different human voices. Happy voice, angry voice, scared voice. Crows hear all 3 and respond differently every time. Different crow populations across America have different dialects. Just like humans in New York speak differently from humans in Texas. Crows in Seattle sound different from crows in New York. Regional accents in birds. Crows eavesdrop on human conversations happening near them. They pay special attention to tone changes and repeated words. Scientists believe crows build a danger vocabulary, a mental list of human sounds that signal threat, food, or safety. In 2009, researchers gave a crow named Betty a problem. Inside a tall glass tube was a small bucket of food at the bottom, too deep to reach with a beak. They gave Betty a straight piece of wire. Betty picked up the wire, bent it into a hook, and pulled the bucket out. Nobody taught her. Nobody showed her. She invented a tool on her own in under 2 minutes. In Japan, crows figured out how to use traffic lights to crack nuts. They drop nuts on road when light is red, wait for cars to drive over and crack them, then collect pieces when light turns green. Crows form lifelong bonds with specific humans, not because those humans feed them, but because they showed kindness. There is a girl in Seattle named Gabby Mann who has been leaving gifts for crows since she was 4 years old. And the crows, they bring her gifts back. Buttons, beads, bottle caps, shiny pieces of glass, each one carefully selected. Each one a message. We see you, we value you, we love you. When crows love you, they protect you. Crows follow their favorite humans on walks, flying from tree to tree, keeping watch, warning them of dangers, acting as guardian angels with wings. There is documented evidence of crows attending funerals of other crows. They gather in large groups. They go silent. They stand vigil over their fallen. Real, observable, undeniable grief. Number 1. Crows recognize human faces even when wearing hat, sunglasses, or mask. In experiments, crows identified researchers who had previously trapped them, even in completely different clothing. Number 2, crows hold grudges for life and pass them down for generations. Number 3, crows use leaves as tools to extract insects from bark. They select specific leaf shapes for specific tasks. Tool selection. In a bird. 3 facts. 1 conclusion. Crows are not just birds. They are minds. The crow sitting outside your window right now is not just a bird. It has been watching you, learning your routines, reading your emotions, deciding whether you are friend or threat. If you have ever shown a crow kindness, that crow remembers. It remembers your face, your voice, your energy. The question is, have you been noticing it back? If this video changed the way you see crows, and drop a comment below. Have you ever had a crow interaction that felt too intelligent? Subscribe to Birdhearts. Until next time, look up. The crow on that wire has been looking at you for a long time. Maybe it is time you looked back.